Hey folks, welcome back. Today we're following chocolate lentils from raw ingredients in the field all the way to the finished candy rolling off a massive production line. Let's see how it all begins.
Check the ripe rows first, then move the bins forward.
Chocolate lentils begin with cacao, the fruit that gives chocolate its unmistakable depth. Only fully mature pods are selected.
These ones are clean, send them to fermentation.
Harvesting cacao is still a hands-on craft. Each pod must be cut cleanly and carefully.
Good color on this row. Keep these separate from the underripe batch.
Before chocolate can be refined, every harvested bean lot is identified, traced, and protected.
Mark this lot and move it to weighing.
This section's done. Send the next cart over.
Sugar begins long before the refinery. Cleaning and sorting at the field edge reduce waste, improve storage quality.
No cuts on these, send them with the main ripe load.
At massive scale, speed depends on coordination. Once harvested, ingredients must reach protected collection.
Inbound on lane 2, get that pallet weighed before loading.
Weight confirmed, tag it, and send it to loading.
From field depots to factory gates, ingredient movement is tightly controlled. Every pallet is weighed, documented, and
outbound cleared. See you at receiving.
Seal trailer 3 after this last load.
At large confectionery plants, ingredients arrive in carefully controlled forms. Whether solid, liquid, or bagged,
Center that row. Leave clearance for the rear inspection.
We're 20 minutes out from receiving.
Behind every candy-coated chocolate lentil is an invisible logistics system. Highways, depots, inspections.
Dock windows on time, let's get checked in.
You're cleared for Scale House Lane 1.
Once deliveries reach the plant, the supply chain becomes a controlled system of verification. Every vehicle is seal matches manifest, send this one to cocoa intake. Deeds. Receiving is more than unloading. Before ingredients can enter production, plant staff verify identity, physical.
This batch looks uniform. Send a split sample upstairs.
Line 2 stable, keep the feed rate right there.
Some ingredients require preparation before they ever touch a mixing vessel. Filtration, temperature control, and sanitation.
This is the first real checkpoint inside the plant. What comes in from the road gets cleaned, inspected, and standardized here before it's allowed anywhere near chocolate production. Reject counts low, this batch is coming in clean.
By this stage, raw deliveries are no longer just shipments. They've become managed production inputs.
Hopper's almost topped off, hold the next stack.
Receiving release confirmed. Prep line is clear to continue.
Everything up to this point has been preparation. Next comes the real transformation, where clean, measured ingredients are turned into chocolate at the scale of millions of pieces per day.
Roaster 1 is at set point. Feed the next batch.
Roasting unlocks the aroma, color, and flavor that define chocolate. Inside these giant drums, heat and air.
Nibs look clean. Keep the separation flow steady.
Feed is even, send it straight to grinding.
Grinding changes texture completely. What begins as brittle roasted nibs becomes cocoa liquor. A smooth
Liquor transfer is live. Prepare the sugar feed.
recipe set is locked. Keep the blend at current speed. Consistency is everything in confectionery manufacturing. Precision dosing systems ensure that every batch of chocolate begins with the same carefully controlled balance of ingredients.
Gap setting looks good. Don't touch line pressure. Conch time's on target. Flavor profile should be right where we want it.
Conching is where texture becomes luxurious. Heat, motion, and time work together to smooth the chocolate, soften harsh notes, and create the mouthfeel consumers expect. Crystal curve is holding. Send it forward.
Center feed looks even. Keep the coating line ready.
Controlled tumbling and repeat it, that is how file needed.
This is where the candy really starts to look familiar. Layer by layer, these tiny centers pick up chocolate until every piece reaches the
shell build looks uniform. Start the next color stage.
Large-scale candy production depends on relentless testing. Size, shell strength, color, and weight are all measured.
Reject count is low. This run is looking excellent.
batch released, send it up to packaging.
After roasting, refining, shell building, and inspection, the candy is finally ready for the last major step.
Packaging line 3 is ready. Bring product forward.
Weights are centered. Hold this speed.
High-speed packaging depends on split-second coordination. Every pouch is formed, filled, and handed off in...
Lane 2 is clear. Keep the packs flowing.
Spacing looks right. Send them to coding.
Traceability matters just as much as taste. Every package receives readable date and batch information, so the product can be tracked from factory floor to retail shelf.
All passes on this run, cartoner can stay at speed.
At this stage, the product is finished, but the factory still has work to do. Every pack has to be sealed, coated.
Cases are filling clean. Keep the blank feed topped up. Before product leaves the packaging floor, outer cartons are identified for inventory, transport, and retail handling, linking every unit back to its exact production run.
Case count is right. Send the next batch to pallet build.
Pattern looks perfect. Go ahead and wrap it.
Palletizing and wrapping protect finished goods during storage and transport, ensuring that every case reaches distribution centers in the same condition it left the factory floor.
Put that one in lane 7, outbound tomorrow morning.
Shipping lanes are filling up. Pull the priority orders first.
Once orders are picked and staged, the factory shifts into distribution mode, moving finished candy into trailers that will carry it to warehouse.
Load secure, close it up, and clear this bay.
From carefully sourced ingredients to high-speed packaging and shipping, this entire process is built on precision. And
After an extraordinary journey through fields, factories, labs, and distribution networks, the finished product arrives where most people